Have you ever stood in a cafe, looked at the menu, and felt a little nervous? There are so many drinks, so many names, and you think, I just want something warm, but how do I say it in English? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Welcome back to Easy English with PJ. I'm PJ, and today I'm sharing another real everyday conversation to help you use English more comfortably in daily life. Everything here is made for beginners. We use simple words, short sentences, and situations you see every day so you can listen, understand, and start using English right away. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need big words. Just listen, follow along, and enjoy the conversation. Today, we're going into a winter cafe. It's cold outside. You walk in, and it's warm. It smells like coffee. You look at the menu, and suddenly there are a lot of choices. You want something good, but you're not sure how to order it in English. That's what today is about. You'll hear how to order drinks, ask simple questions, and talk naturally with the barista. You'll meet Emma. She doesn't usually come to fancy cafes. She drinks simple coffee at home. Today, she wants to try something different, something warm and perfect for winter, but she needs help choosing and ordering. And you'll meet Tyler, the friendly barista. He knows the menu well and helps customers find the perfect drink. This is real English, real cafe moments, and real conversation you can use. Listen for the simple words, notice how they talk, and imagine yourself in the same situation. Let's listen.
Good morning. How are you today?
Hi, I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm great, thank you. Is this your first time here?
Yeah, it is. A friend told me about this place.
Nice, well, welcome. What kind of drinks do you usually like?
Honestly, I just drink regular coffee at home. Black coffee.
Nothing wrong with that. Do you like it strong?
Yeah, usually. But today, I want something different. It's really cold outside.
I totally understand. You want something warm and cozy.
Exactly. But there's so many options on the menu. I don't know where to start.
No worries. I can help. Do you want something with milk or just coffee?
What's the difference?
Coffee by itself is stronger, more bold. Drinks with milk are smoother and creamier.
Maybe something smooth. I want it easy to drink.
Perfect. Then I'd suggest a latte. It's espresso with steamed milk. Very smooth, not bitter.
That sounds good. Is it sweet?
Not naturally, but we can add flavors if you want. Vanilla, caramel, hazelnut.
I don't usually like sweet things. I don't want too much sugar.
Then just get a plain latte. No flavors. It's naturally a little sweet from the milk.
Okay, I'll try that.
Great choice. Oh, but wait. Have you seen our winter menu?
Winter menu?
Yeah, we have special drinks just for winter. They're only here for a few months.
What kind of drinks?
Let me show you. This one is really popular. It's a latte with cinnamon and warm spices.
Oh, that sounds nice. I like cinnamon.
It's my favorite. Very cozy. Perfect for cold days like today.
Is it sweet?
A little bit, but not too much. It's more about the warm spices than sugar.
That sounds better than plain. Maybe I should get that one instead.
I think you'd love it. Lots of first-timers try it and come back for more.
Okay, I'll get the cinnamon spice one.
Excellent. Now, what size do you want?
What sizes do you have?
We have small, medium, and large, but we call them tall, grande, and venti.
That's confusing. Why not just small, medium, large?
I know, right? It's a cafe thing. Tall is small, grande is medium, venti is large.
Okay, I'll get a medium then. Grande.
Perfect size. Not too much, not too little. Okay, so one grande winter spice latte. Do you want whipped cream on top?
Whipped cream? Like the sweet cream?
Yeah, it's optional. Some people love it, some people don't want it.
Is it good with this drink?
It's nice. Makes it a little richer, but it also makes it sweeter.
You said you like this drink. Do you get whipped cream?
I don't, actually. I like to taste the spices more.
Then I'll skip it too.
Good choice. Okay, and are you drinking here or taking it to go?
What's the difference?
If you're staying, I'll give you a ceramic cup. If you're leaving, it goes in a paper cup.
Oh, I'll drink it here. I want to sit for a while.
Perfect. It's nice and warm inside. Good place to relax on a Saturday.
Yeah, I have no plans today. Just coffee and maybe a movie later.
Sounds like a perfect day. Okay, can I get your name for the order?
My name? Why?
We call out names when drinks are ready. That way you know it's yours.
Oh, that makes sense. It's Emma.
Emma. Got it. Okay, that'll be $6.50, please.
$6?
$6.50. Is that okay?
Yeah, it's fine. That's a lot more than my coffee at home.
I know, fancy coffee is expensive, but this is special. You're treating yourself.
That's true. I can do that sometimes.
Exactly. You work hard. You deserve good coffee.
Thanks. Here.
Perfect. Okay, your drink will be ready in just a few minutes. You can wait right over there or grab a seat and I'll bring it to you.
You'll bring it to me?
Sure, if you're sitting down, I'm happy to bring it for you.
That's really nice. Thank you.
No problem. Enjoy. Here you go. 1 grande winter spice latte.
Wow, that was fast.
Yeah, it's not too busy right now. Weekend mornings are usually crazy, but you came at a good time.
Lucky me. Hey, can I ask you something?
Of course.
How do I know if I ordered the right drink? What if I don't like it?
Then you learn something. Now you know what you don't like.
But I spent $6.
That's true, but honestly, most people love this drink. I think you will too. And if you don't, you can try something else next time.
Makes sense. Do people usually order the same drink every time?
A lot of people do. I have regulars who order the exact same thing every single day.
Really? Every day?
Every day. Same drink, same size, same time. I don't even ask anymore. I just start making it when I see them.
That's funny. Do you like working here?
I love it. I meet interesting people. I get free coffee. And I like helping people find drinks they'll enjoy.
You're really good at it. You made ordering easy.
Thanks, that's my goal. A lot of people feel nervous ordering at cafes, but it doesn't have to be scary.
I was definitely nervous. So many choices.
Just remember, there's no wrong answer. It's just coffee. You can always try something different next time. Okay, I'll let you enjoy your drink. Let me know if you need anything.
Thanks, Tyler.
So, what do you think?
It's really good.
Yes, I knew you'd like it.
This is way better than my coffee at home. So smooth.
That's the steamed milk. Makes everything smooth.
And I can taste the cinnamon. But it's not too strong. It's perfect.
See, you picked well.
You picked well. I just listened to you.
Teamwork.
And it's so warm. My hands were freezing. Now they feel better just holding the cup.
That's one of the best parts of winter drinks. The warmth.
I get it now. I understand why people pay $6 for this.
Right? It's not just coffee. It's an experience.
Yeah, the warm drink, the cozy cafe, the nice atmosphere, it all works together.
Exactly. You get it.
I think I'll come back.
Please do. And next time, maybe try something else. Or order this again if you love it.
I might just get this every time.
Another regular is born.
Can I ask you something else?
Sure.
When's the best time to come? When is it not too busy?
Weekday mornings around 10. After the morning rush, but before lunch. It's quiet then.
Good to know. I work from home, so I can come anytime.
Oh, perfect. Yeah, come during the week. It's more relaxed.
Do you work every day?
I work mornings, Monday through Friday, and some Saturday mornings.
So if I come on a weekday morning, you'll be here?
Probably. And I'll remember you. Emma, the winter spice latte girl.
I like that.
Well, I should get back to work. But enjoy your drink.
Thanks, Tyler. You made this really easy.
That's what I'm here for. See you next time.
Definitely.
That was nice. One person, one drink, one helpful barista. Nothing complicated, just a real cafe experience. Let's talk about what you heard. When you order at a cafe in America, it's simple. You say what you want, you say the size. That's it. Common phrases. Can I get a? And then say the drink you want. That's how you order. For here or to go, drink here or take it with you. What do you recommend? Ask for help choosing. What's the difference? Ask when you don't understand something. Notice Emma was nervous at first, but Tyler helped her. He explained things clearly. He made suggestions. That's what's good. Baristas do. Important words you heard. Latte, coffee with steamed milk. Barista, the person who makes your coffee. Whipped cream, sweet cream on top. Size, small, medium, or large. Espresso, strong, concentrated coffee. Some tips for ordering at a cafe. First, look at the menu first. Take your time. Second, start simple. Try basic drinks before complicated ones. Third, ask questions if you need help. Baristas are happy to explain. 4. Say what you want clearly. Don't worry about being perfect. 5. Be friendly. Say please and thank you. You don't need perfect English. You just need to communicate. Practice saying, "Can I get a medium latte? What do you recommend for someone who likes cinnamon?" "I'll have it for here, please. No whipped cream, thanks." These phrases work at any cafe. One more thing. Notice how Emma talked with Tyler. She asked questions. She admitted she was nervous. She was honest about not knowing things. That's okay. Being honest and asking for help is smart. People appreciate it. Going to a cafe is not just about the drink. It's about the experience, the warm space, the good smell, the friendly people. That's why people go. That's why they spend $6 on coffee. If you find a cafe you like, go regularly. Get to know the baristas. Find your favorite drink. Make it part of your routine. It's a small thing that makes life better. Now, make a small promise to yourselves. The next time you go out for coffee, try using just one phrase from today's conversation. Even something simple like, "What do you recommend?" when you're ordering. It's a tiny step, but it builds real confidence. Make that connection. If you enjoyed this real conversation and want us to keep breaking down the everyday moments you'll actually face, follow us right now so you don't miss anything. Give us a like and share this with a friend who loves coffee and wants to improve their English with you. Then leave a comment telling us about your best cafe memory. It helps us create more of the practical English you want. I'm PJ. Now, repeat this confidence mantra out loud. I'm building confidence each time I speak English. Until next time, stay warm, enjoy your coffee, and keep practicing at your own pace.